Hey guys, PBJ Marino here from YouTube. Just got a new gun. Got the GSG-5. It's a 22 LR. It's a first anniversary in titanium for the GSG. Comes with a dummy suppressor. Pretty nice, man. It's a real solid gun. Chamber check. Not bad. This is a really good gun. I got it for around $500. Came with 2 magazines added by the case. It's not a big deal though. Here are the magazines it came with. Holds about 20 bullets. And these are the bullets I shoot with it. Pretty inexpensive. You can get about 1,000 of them for 40 bucks. Good quality. Good thing about 22 LRs is basically the ammunition is very cheap. You can stay out there for a whole day and maybe waste 15 bucks. It's really accurate. It's fun. Good gun to shoot. Metal silhouettes, targets. Accurate. Just about anybody could shoot it. Little girl could shoot this gun. There's very little kick. Only thing about this gun is it's kind of heavy. Maybe for a little girl. But for the average person, it's a really good gun. No problems with it at all. The sights are pretty neat. You can choose. You can't really see it here, but there's different sight pictures. Open, smaller holes, closer combat. It's just depends on what you're shooting at, I guess. But all around a solid gun. It's probably one of my favorites right now. Just to shoot, I guess. My AR-15 ammo was getting pretty expensive. So is my Desert Eagle. This is just a gun you can go out there, shoot with friends. If you're on a budget. Had to show this little baby in here again. Beauty. Beauty and the Beast. Anyways, just want to do a quick little video of the ATI GSG-5 Titanium Edition. So maybe I'll put some videos up of it shooting. It's nothing special, but it's very fun. Well, thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe.